Stuck with the wrong gender on Pinterest? Here is exactly how to fix it in 30 seconds. It is such a common problem. You set up your account years ago, or maybe you just want your profile to reflect who you actually are, and you look through the menus and you just cannot find the option. It feels like it is hidden, but it is not. It is actually super simple once you know where to look, and I'm going to show you right now. So, I will walk you through the simple steps from opening Pinterest to saving your new selection. It is going to take less than a minute. Let us start with the app or the website. It does not matter which one you use because the menus are exactly the same. Just open up Pinterest on your phone or your computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is find your profile. Look in the very bottom right-hand corner of the screen. On a computer, it will be in the top right corner. You are looking for your profile picture, or if you have not set one, just a little silhouette icon. Go ahead and click on that. A little menu will pop up. You will see a few different options here, like your boards and your pins, but what you want is all the way at the very bottom of that menu. You are looking for the option that says Settings. Give that a tap. Okay, so now you are inside the Settings menu. This is where all the good stuff is hidden. There are a lot of options in here, so do not get overwhelmed. Look for the section that says Account Management. It is usually right near the top of the list. Click on that. And here is the really important part. Once you are inside Account Management, you need to scroll down just a little bit. Look for the heading that says Gender. It is going to be right between a few other personal details, but it is definitely there. Just keep scrolling until you see it. And there it is. Now, click on the Gender section. You will likely see a few different options to choose from. Pinterest lets you select male, female, or a more inclusive option, like non-binary or prefer not to say. Go ahead and choose the option that feels right for you. Just tap on it. Take a second to double-check your choice. Look at the little circle next to the option you picked. It should be filled in or highlighted now. This is your chance to change your mind if you need to, so just glance at it and make sure it is correct. All right, now for the final step. Okay, look at the very bottom of the screen. You should see a big blue button that says Save. Go ahead and click that. It might take just a moment to process, so hang tight for 1 second. And that is it. You will see a little confirmation message pop up saying your Pinterest gender information has been updated successfully. It is done. You are all set. You can go back to your profile now and see that everything looks the way you want it. So, from being stuck and unable to find that setting to changing it in less than a minute, I hope this saved you some frustration. If it did, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for sticking with me, and I will see you in the next one.